Hey guys, it is Nyla here, and I'm here with
Punky.
and today we are playing Roblox in Life today, and we are trying to really get away from these people, because it's just one girl. When we just now got on, it's this one girl that just literally copied us and asked us to be our sister when you already know that we're twins, and you just want to be our sister, and you already know we're gonna say no because we don't know you. So yeah. So that was a struggle. So I'm gonna put the mic in the middle so me and my sister can talk. Cause she has a tablet and I actually have a computer, so it's gonna be going. So it's going to be hard for us to navigate this stuff. Stop. It's gonna be hard for us to navigate this stuff. And so now we're just about to. Can you stop? I'm trying to do my intro here. Okay, so we're about to find a house because we want to live on our own. We don't want no mom or nothing. So yeah, Joe. Punky, you can talk whenever you want, just talking to the mic. So Punky's name is Ash. Come on, Punky, don't you want to talk?
My name is Ash.
You gotta come over here.
Yeah, so my name is Ash, and I'm about to be playing this game with it, and I'm already joined it. So now we got the same clothes.
I just bought a house, or did I? Yeah, I just bought a house. So Punky, come. Ash, come over here. This is our house over here. And here. So yeah, this is our house. I just now bought it. I only have $50 now. Oh, you can make it pink, purple, light blue. Some nice colors.
Light blue. Actually,
Pink. But there's a girl right next to us that has a pink house, so. But I'm gonna make it pink.
The bugs change purple.
Give me like the
There's
doors.
so many rooms here, Nyla.
I know.
I'm an Ash.
You mean Belle?
Now.
Okay, I just locked the door. We have like a lot of rooms. Sometimes we like to do our own little story. Sometimes.
And then there's a two. There's. I think this is a two-bedroom house though.
Okay, I'm about to take my charger off.
Baby sister room and stuff. And then it got more stairs.
Okay, there we go. There you go. There, Bucky.
And now, guys, this is more better.
Yeah, there's like a lot of rooms. I'm actually really surprised.
I'm trying.
So
Oh,
actually,
that's how you get
I like.
outside.
Here, let me unlock the door for you. Okay, go ahead and go outside if you want. I just unlocked them.
Guys, there's so much stuff here. Lock your door back.
Okay. Well, we need to go back in if we want to lock it.
Okay. Lock it.
Let me lock this. Okay, so we're back.
I called this room.
I don't know which room she's calling, but I'm just about to find a room. Oh, that's the bathroom.
I called this room right here.
Well, we have to share a room. We're sisters.
No, there's two bedrooms. There's a two-bedroom house.
We'll share. Just in case. So.
I'm about to go down.
Oh, we can actually close the windows too. Close windows. Oh, that's cool. I'll close the windows.
Which window? Oh, these ones.
Yeah, no one can see through it now. Now, if I open them, watch me open them. Boom.
Oh, good.
And when you don't want people, you just close your blinds.
I'm about to go downstairs, guys. So let's.
We're actually about to find a mom, because I kind of want a mom.
So let's.
And I know,
Story.
and I know when I first came, I said I just didn't want a mom. So we're about to find a mom outside. So let me unlock the door.
That it maybe could be that girl that asked, can I be your
Yeah, no, that's not about to be her. Because she just came out of nowhere. So that's not to be her.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get our run thing. Sorry guys, I don't know if you can hear us. I got this mic, so you can hear us a little bit better, like in all the other ones.
Follow me, Nyla. So let's start.
No, you don't know where you're going. You need to follow me.
Let's start the story.
We're not about to start the story. We have to remember. We have to find a mom. That's when we start the story. Nah, not her.
I love that song.
That's my brother's favorite song. Well, our brother's favorite song. Let's see if we can find anyone. I'm right here. So, we're still looking for like a mom or some kind of a dad. Oh, he's gay. He just said that he's gay. Well, his name says he's gay. So, not over here. Let's go over here. Think I know where we might find one. Sorry, guys. It's kind of hard finding a mom or a dad. So,
But I do think.
yeah, I don't want. Yeah, I don't want that kind of dad.
Let's look.
There isn't that many moms here. They kind of just all want to be like.
Here,
That's school. Yeah, no. We have to go check outside.
No, wait. Let me see if you really like.
We'll see ya. I'm about to leave you.
No.
So, we're still trying to find like some kind of like mom.
I looked in the school wasn't. Now was it?
Trying to find some places where we can find a mom or something like that. Ooh, I just found another house. I'm about to get that house.
Now was it?
Keep going that way. I only got $75, so I probably won't be able to buy it. Yeah, that's like 500. I won't be able to buy that.
I got 340.
A mansion? I wonder how much that cost.
Which one?
2,000. Guys, that cost freaking $2,000. I'm gonna be saving up so much money, like literally.
Are you at this house over here?
Keep going that way.
Okay, I jumped over that thing.
Hey sis, I'm right behind you. This is the mansion that I was talking about. Oh, it's already here. I just got one in it. Somebody here. Oh, nobody bought it. It's just unlocked.
Which way you go to?
Follow me. Back door. We can live in here secretly.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just gonna sneak in this abandoned house. I'll just say abandoned house. Yeah. I only have $80, so I won't have enough money to buy it. But this is a pretty big house, and I'm pretty sure everybody would want this. So if I actually did buy it, it would be so cool.
And everybody would be like, "Oh man, she got."
And this is like the only mansion too, so I'm like actually really happy. And the people who have Robux, they would just buy this house, and we would be just sitting in it, and we wouldn't know who they were.
All the doors were unlocked.
Okay, I'm gonna stop running. They even have a statue of themselves.
There's 2 rooms, I guess.
There's actually 3 rooms, I think.
Yes.
I just made a selfie, my god.
Oh, I'm about to go into the porch.
Guys, this video only goes up to 15 minutes, so it's like 9 minutes right now. It's about to go to 10 minutes, so we're gonna have to end this video in just a minute. Just saying. Like this is actually a pretty big house. Like someone who will buy this house has a pretty good career of playing the piano. A nice big
I'm
like,
going outside, so
and there's a money jar. If you're rich, I would really want to buy that. If you're rich though, that is so unfair. That's like a teaser.
okay. Now we really need to start finding us a real mom, except mansion mom.
We need to find someone that has enough money to have this big old house.
Yeah.
But good thinking, cause
This
I can
cost-
see.
This cost 202,000. I meant so. Me and I was gonna go look for a mom or dad that have $2,000. A mom and a dad actually.
So we're trying to find them right now. I can see who has like a lot of money. So I'm gonna go be looking for N51N. It's right about here, as you can see. Take out that.
Wait.
Right about here.
I'm very scratchy, guys.
Oh shoot, guys, we don't have much time. We're gonna have to end the video. Here, let's stand right by each other so we can get it out. Just stay right there. So guys, we're gonna have to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry we couldn't have a long video. We could have made it longer, but still I don't want to waste the time. So thank you guys for watching and goodbye.